And in this play, honeybee is a speaker. Lesson number 8, A Honeybee Speaks. Page number 17 and 18. What? Me a lazy bee? You think I simply have fun all day among the flowers? Oh no! When I am flitting from flower to flower, I am actually very hard at work. And that's why I am called not a lazy bee but a busy bee. Student, why is the bee called a busy bee? Yes, because the bee is very hard at work. Come, I shall show you my house and tell you what a lot of work we bees do all our life. My house is called a honeycomb. It's a big house with thousands of rooms or cells. Each room has 6 equal sides. We take a lot of care to build it. We even produce the material for building the comb. It's called bee wax. The honeybees live in a honeycomb, and every room has 6 equal sides, as you can see in the picture. And they use material to build the comb. It is beeswax. Do you know, when I was very young, I used to stay at home. But even then, I had to do a lot of work. I had to look after the larvae, the babies that would grow into bees. I had to feed them and protect them. If anyone came near our comb to disturb it, I was ready with my weapon, a sting. I am not only a worker, I am also a soldier. Beware, don't trouble me. What work do young bees do? They take care of larvae and feed them and also protect them. What weapon does the bee have? They use their sting as a weapon. Well, to go back to the comb, I had to keep the comb cool by fanning it with my wings. They keep their house cool by fanning with their wings. Then I had to keep the house in order, put away all the honey and food that other bees brought from the flowers. But luckily, I had hundreds of other bees working with me. We all worked together without ever fighting. That's one reason why we can build such perfect and beautiful houses. Students, what we have learned from this passage? They build their houses perfect and beautiful because they work together. If we also work together in a group, we can also complete any kind of work perfect. Yes, I helped with the house building too. We keep making our house bigger and bigger to make room for the babies and for the food and honey we gather. They build their house bigger for their babies and for honey which they collect. When I became older, I began to fly out of the comb to gather a nectar. I take the nectar and pollen from the flowers and carry them back to the comb. Nectar is the sweet juice in flowers and pollen is the yellow powdery stuff you see on the flowers. I visit hundreds of flowers and make several trips every day without wasting even a single moment. They collect nectar, sweet juice from the flowers and also collect pollen, yellow powdery stuff from the flowers. The nectar from the flowers is too thin. We bees turn it into the sweet, thick honey that you like. It's only because you called me a lazy bee that I stopped and explained it all to you. Otherwise, I have not a moment to lose. Bye. So, students, the life of honey teaches us work for others, work together, always do hard work, and we should live busy and active life.